The manager of Magellan Fund. That's this guy, Peter Lynch. But he's more famous for the book that he wrote called One Up on Wall Street. Why is Peter Lynch famous? Well, it's because during 13 years as a fund manager, Peter Lynch produced an annualized rate of return of 29.2%. 29.2% is pretty incredible because with the current principle, if you had $100,000, gave it 20 years to grow with his 29.2% rate, that would mean after 20 years, after not adding any additional money, your future value of the $100,000 you started with would become over $16 million. So a lot of people had the question, did he use options? Because after all, he was a fund manager, and so a lot of people thought maybe he had the sophisticated knowledge of using simple options such as calls and puts, or advanced options like iron condors to help produce higher rates of return as compared to the normal rate of return that the market was giving. With options, you're able to get some incredible wins, but also receive some devastating losses. And since Peter Lynch was a fantastic fund manager, a lot of people had the question of did he use options and was he a big winner who won very often compared to the number of times that he lost, allowing him to get the 29.2% annualized rate of return that we saw previously. And Peter's response to options is, I've never bought a future nor an option in my entire investing career, and I can't imagine buying one now. If he didn't use options, how did he make 29.2% annualized rate of returns? He bought companies that were 10 baggers. Simple buy and hold strategy with quality companies and selling companies that are overvalued that are currently in his portfolio or that were no longer providing value that he felt were not worthy of being in his portfolio at all. But you might question, what is a 10 bagger? It's a stock that multiplies your original investment by 10. So $1,000 would become $10,000, and you would buy and hold these for great returns. If you're interested in reading One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, consider clicking the link in the description down below. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications is greatly appreciated. And if you liked the video, definitely leaving a like or comment would be greatly appreciated. So once again, thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode.